Chat GPT Side Hustles. How to make an extra $1,000 per month. In today's dynamic economy, many individuals are seeking innovative ways to supplement their primary income and achieve financial stability. Whether you're saving for a goal, paying off debt, or simply looking for some extra spending money, a side hustle can be the answer. A side hustle refers to a flexible part-time gig that allows you to generate additional income while maintaining your regular job or commitments. If you're interested in increasing your monthly earnings by around $1,000, this video will explore various side hustle ideas and strategies to help you achieve your financial goals. From leveraging your skills and hobbies to tapping into the power of the internet, we'll provide practical tips and insights to help you embark on a profitable side hustle journey. Let's dive in. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. 1. Virtual Assistant. In today's fast-paced business world, entrepreneurs and professionals often find themselves overwhelmed with various tasks that can consume their time and hinder their productivity. As a virtual assistant, you have the opportunity to offer your services and alleviate the burden for individuals and businesses. With your Chat GPT skills, you can provide efficient and timely support in areas such as email management, scheduling, research, and content creation. By taking charge of email correspondence, you can help maintain organized inboxes, filter important messages, and draft professional responses. Your expertise in scheduling can assist in managing calendars, setting up meetings, and ensuring optimal time management. Utilizing your research abilities, you can conduct thorough investigations, gather relevant information, and present concise summaries to aid in decision-making processes. Additionally, your ChatGPT skills enable you to create high-quality content, whether it's blog posts, social media content, or even speeches, aligning with clients' needs and enhancing their online presence. 2. Content generation. As a skilled content creator who harnesses the power of ChatGPT, you possess the remarkable ability to generate an array of creative and engaging content across various platforms for an array of clients, including bloggers, social media influencers, and businesses. By effectively utilizing your ChatGPT skills, you can offer a comprehensive range of services that cater to the diverse needs of these clients. For bloggers, you can produce captivating and informative blog posts that not only captivate readers, but also provide them with valuable insights and entertainment. When it comes to social media influencers, you can craft attention-grabbing captions that not only engage audiences, but also bolster brand awareness, helping these influencers solidify their online presence. For businesses, your expertise lies in creating compelling product descriptions that skillfully entice customers, drawing attention to key features that differentiate the product and highlight its value. Furthermore, your adeptness extends to crafting well-written video scripts that effortlessly convey messages, enabling businesses to effectively communicate with their target audience and seize their attention. One of your greatest strengths as a content creator lies in your innate talent for adapting tone and style, allowing you to tailor your content to perfectly align with the needs and goals of your clients. This exceptional ability ensures that your clients' messages are effectively communicated and that they successfully stand out amidst the crowded digital landscape. By delivering these services with finesse and precision, you play a pivotal role in assisting bloggers, influencers, and businesses in their pursuit of enhancing their online presence, fostering connections with their target audience, and ultimately achieving their content marketing objectives. 3. Language translation. With your language capabilities and the power of ChatGPT, you can offer valuable translation services to businesses and individuals in need. In today's globalized world, there is a growing demand for translations of various documents, websites, and other materials. By leveraging ChatGPT, you can provide accurate and efficient translations across different languages, helping clients overcome language barriers and reach broader audiences. Whether it's translating legal documents, marketing materials, technical manuals, or website content, your expertise as a ChatGPT-powered translator allows you to deliver high-quality translations that maintain the original intent and convey the message effectively. Your language skills combined with ChatGPT's language processing capabilities enable you to handle complex sentence structures, idiomatic expressions, and cultural nuances, ensuring that the translated content resonates with the target audience. By offering your translation services, you can assist businesses in expanding their global reach, fostering international collaborations, and effectively communicating with diverse stakeholders. 4. Customer support. As a provider of ChatGPT services, you have the opportunity to assist businesses in implementing and maintaining AI-powered chatbot solutions for customer inquiries and support. In today's digital era, companies are increasingly relying on chatbots to enhance customer experiences and streamline their support processes. By leveraging your ChatGPT skills, you can help businesses set up intelligent chat systems that can handle a wide range of customer inquiries, provide real-time responses, and offer personalized assistance. Your expertise in configuring and training chat models allows you to create chatbot experiences that mimic natural conversations, ensuring a seamless and engaging interaction for customers. Additionally, you can provide ongoing support by continuously improving and optimizing the chatbot's performance, refining its responses based on user feedback, and incorporating updates and new features. 5. Online course creation. With your expertise in ChatGPT, you have the opportunity to create and sell online courses that capitalize on this knowledge. Online learning is booming, and many individuals are eager to develop new skills or deepen their understanding of specific subjects. By leveraging ChatGPT, you can develop courses on a variety of topics, such as creative writing, storytelling, content marketing, or AI, and chatbot development. Through your courses, you can share your expertise, insights, and practical tips, guiding learners on their journey to mastery. You can create engaging video lessons, interactive exercises, and provide valuable resources to support the learning process. Leveraging the power of ChatGPT, you can offer unique perspectives and showcase real-life examples that resonate with learners. By selling these courses online, you can not only monetize your expertise but also contribute to the personal and professional growth of individuals worldwide. Whether learners aspire to become better writers, improve their marketing strategies, or delve into the world of AI, your online courses provide a valuable learning experience that empowers them to achieve their goals. Did you learn something new today that you didn't know before? We hope you did. So if you're interested in learning more amazing facts, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching till the end.